Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to compare Eufy C20 and Eufy X10. The Eufy C20 is priced at €599 and is designed as a smart and fully automated cleaning solution. It comes with an all-in-one station that handles auto-emptying, mop washing, drying with room temperature air, and water refilling. The transparent tanks make it easy to monitor water levels. Its suction power reaches 7,000 pascals. Paired with a rolling brush and side brush to pick up dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and dust effectively. The Mop Master technology spins at 180 rotations per minute with 6 newtons of pressure, giving it solid stain-fighting ability. At only 3.35 inches tall, the C20 has a slim body that fits under low furniture for deep cleaning in hard-to-reach spots. It also features a Pro Detangle comb that removes tangled hair automatically, saving you from manual cleaning and keeping the brush in top shape. The Eufy X10, on the other hand, is priced at €799 and takes cleaning a step further. It delivers 8,000 pascals of suction power, making it especially effective on carpets and for pulling out embedded pet hair. Its Mop Master 2.0 system not only spins at 180 rotations per minute, but also applies 1 kilogram of downward pressure for stronger scrubbing. When the robot detects carpets, the mops lift automatically by 12 millimeters to prevent them from getting wet. It includes AI obstacle recognition capable of identifying over 100 objects, such as shoes, toys, or wires, even at night. The all-in-one station here is more advanced, using 45 degrees Celsius heated air to dry the mop pads and prevent odor or bacteria growth. Its dustbin empties into a 2.5-liter bag that lasts up to 2 months, and the 3-liter water tank is sufficient to mop a medium to large home multiple times. The X10 also has iPath laser navigation with customizable mapping, letting you set virtual boundaries and no-go zones. If you want a more affordable yet powerful robot that is ultra slim and great for getting under low furniture, the Eufy C20 is a solid choice. But if you need stronger suction, heated mop drying, advanced obstacle detection, and a more hands-free experience for larger homes, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni justifies its higher price. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.